During the summer and sometime also in the winter season, we come down to this place and climb to this beautiful neem tree and play a lot of kind of sport activities when this tree was a bit smaller. But now today when I arrive here and saw the condition of this tree, I was in total pain, man. Can you see this? There is not a single green leaves with this tree left. They all are dried up, meaning this tree is at its end. This is very painful. I cannot describe. Wow, I can't say anything, man. You see, you will see only the dried leaves dropping from this tree. There used to be time we just go and do all the kind of sports activities. We do the gymming through this tree. Yes, you cannot believe, but that's the true. We just love this tree. And the same thing is about this one, man. This beautiful tree, the mango tree. It's also in its twinkle days, and don't know if I come back the next day. It also start having only dried leaves. That's very painful. That's the truth. We can't do anything about it. I'm so pain. Once upon a time when we were young, you were young, we used to play so many young games, the beautiful games. Why you betrayed us? It should not happen. We are friends, don't leave us, don't leave us. We are gonna love you always, ever. Why you have stopped giving those green beautiful leaves? We used to do the toothpaste you with your little soft branches. And now where should we go, man? We can't bear to see this. Only the dried leaves. Where is the beauty? Where no man? And now the tree says, listen, I have been here around for hundred of years, if not more. It's time to say a bid. It's time to say goodbye. You can plant new trees. They will give you beautiful fruits. They will have so much fun with the childrens of today's time. This is the process. This is the process. Do not be sad. Do not be cry. Every time and then I love you still, you beautiful mango tree. We used to have so many fruit during the summers. Love you, we still love you. But you know the time is coming, tick, tick, tick. Oh my God. Now we will plant so many trees so that our children can love and have the memories as well. Wow, wow, wow. I will make another video next time. See you. Bye bye.